Adani has denied all charges. Now, fresh trouble for SpiceJet. The Delhi High Court has expressed, and I quote, shock while hearing a contempt case filed by lessor TWC Aviation. The lessor alleges that SpiceJet has illegally profiteered by removing aircraft parts and used it on other planes. The court has already ordered SpiceJet CEO and COO to appear in person over a case filed by another lessor. Remember, both those positions lie vacant today. Ashmit joins us now with details. Another tough day for SpiceJet in the Delhi High Court today, Ashmit.
Well, fresh trouble brewing for the airline SpiceJet. Just yesterday, we had a dispute with Team France, where the Delhi High Court had issued summons to the CEO of the airline. Today, we have yet another day, yet another dispute with yet another lessor by the name of TWC Aviation. The Delhi High Court expressing shock at the conduct of SpiceJet, expressing shock at how SpiceJet has been stripping parts of planes which in fact are owned by the lessors, and that going on to say that there is no provision in the lease agreement that provides for stripping of these parts, and importantly saying that it will not stand idly by, warning of further action against the airline. Now, here are the facts of the case. TWC Aviation had leased out 3 engines and 2 aircraft to the airline. There was a payment dispute. The Delhi High Court intervened. The engines as well as planes were sent back. However, the lessors raised the concern that it seems parts have been stripped off the planes in question. So 16 parts in plane number 1, 29 parts in plane number 2. This, the lessors say, is a cannibalization by SpiceJet. They've stripped parts using it for other aircraft, that this is illegal profiteering. SpiceJet, interestingly, is not denying the fact that it has stripped those parts. In fact, SpiceJet's argument has been is that if at all there's any relief for the lessors, they need to initiate fresh proceedings seeking damages, and that this is not the correct forum for actually seeking relief. And now this inspired a great deal of shock and amazement at the hands of the Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court saying that it cannot stand by such arguments, it cannot stand by such conduct. In fact, it went on to say that there is no merit prima facie in these submissions that have been forwarded as far as the airline is concerned, and that it needs to give just one last final opportunity to the airline to come good and to explain on its conduct. That next hearing will be on January 14th.
Ashmit, many thanks. Now, Taiwanese laptop maker MSI has begun manufacturing